Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me. I am going out tonight. It's Friday night and I'm going out with my boyfriend and some of our friends. And I wanted to film a get ready with me because I have some new products that are kind of exciting. And I wanted to show you guys. So I got the Kylie Balmain collection. I got the full collection, the whole bundle, the eye palette, the lip kit, and then the lip gloss. And I figured I would film because I haven't filmed a makeup video in a while. Makeup is like not my expertise. I don't film them that often. Like that's not what my channel is known for, but I do love to play with makeup and I love to like play with new products. And so I'm really excited about this. The packaging is gorgeous. I love the colors. This is like my favorite color combination, this light pink, purple, and just all these pastels. The packaging is just really good. And I'm pretty sure they made this collection specifically for the Paris Balmain fashion show. I think that's what it was obviously made for. So again, this is what it looks like, and then on the inside, these are the colors, and they're really pretty. So they're very light colors. They're very pastel, very light. I normally don't wear colors like these for eyeshadows. I usually gravitate towards like warmer, darker, neutral colors. But I figured I would try this out and just have a little bit of fun with my eyeshadow because I don't really experiment much. And I think it's about time that I do. So, and then also here is the lip kit. Here is the color of the lipstick. I can swatch it along with the liner. The liner is a few shades darker than the lipstick, which I love because I love darker lip liner. I think it just looks really cute. That's what that combo looks like. You would think it like looks off together, but when it's on, it looks gorgeous. The high gloss is gorgeous as well. It's super what is it called? Sparkly, like glittery. There's so many little glitter specks in it. Here is what this one looks like, and I will swatch this one too. So all of these together, when you wear them all together, are so pretty. I actually tried the lip combo last night because I just couldn't wait, and it is so pretty. So yeah, like I said, this is gonna be a get ready with me. I'm gonna do my full face. So I already did my hair. My hair is done. If you're curious about how I curled my hair, you can watch my previous get ready with me video. I will link it above and below, so check that out. I'm not gonna do it again because it's literally the same thing I do. So without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Okay, so I already moisturized my face and I exfoliated and did all that. So I'm gonna start with primer. And this is my go-to primer. It's just Fenty's Pro Filter Primer. I use this all the time. For foundation, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder's Double Wear. And I have just started using this actually like a couple months ago and I love it so much. Oh, and the shade of this one is Wheat 3N2. Use my beauty blender to blend. Next, I'm going to conceal my under eyes with NARS's Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I use the color Custard. Just gonna set my eyes with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I'm using my go-to contour stick, Match Stick from Fenty in the color Mocha. Now we're going to define that a little bit more with some bronzer. I'm going to take a more matte bronzer. I'm using Tarte's Park Princess Avenue. And I'm going to contour my nose with that. For blush, I'm using Hourglass again. This one is the Ambient Lightning Blush, and this is in Mood Exposure. going to be using my, again, go-to Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I'm using the color Moonstone right down there. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now for the fun part, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to prime my eyelids. I like to use concealer to prime my eyelids, so I'm just using that same NARS concealer. So I think I'm going to use this color up here, this pastel pink matte color called Attitude, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh god, this is really light. This is like way lighter than I am like comfortable with for eyeshadow. I am not comfortable with like light colors like this. That looks funky. I'm going to go in and use this darker matte color. This is called Top Model, and I'm gonna put that in the crease also, kind of right on top of it to kind of give it more. Oh yeah, oh that's better. That is, yeah, better. Ooh, I like the combination of those two colors. It kind of gives it a like, kind of like a magenta pink color almost. This darker shimmery color on the bottom, I'm gonna put that all over my lid, and I'm gonna use my finger because it'll just apply easier. Ooh, that's pretty. This really reminds me of, I don't know what the color is called on that palette, but it reminds me of Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette, I think is what it's called. I have that one. It's just very pink. This is gonna be a great palette for like Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to now take this darker, this purple color called PFW, Paris Fashion Week, and I think I'm going to use that as like kind of the smoky shadow to like try to smoke my eyes out a little bit on the edges. Also, I know people wear tape. I do too, but I was too lazy to put tape like on the edge of my eye, so I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and just kind of like take off the excess. Oh, I like this. This is cute. I love the purple pink combo. This is cute. It blends in really well with the other colors. I think what I want to try is this color, Night Out, and put that over my lid. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do because I don't like to take risks with my eyeshadow, but I will take this gorgeous seafoam green color called City of Love, the one right in the middle, and I'm gonna put that on my outer edges, on my inner my inner edges, my inner tear duct. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, I'll do the Top Model and Attitude combo. I like that combo of pink. So let's just take those two. I'm gonna do my upper waterline and my winged liner. I'm using Lily Lashes in Miami. This is like my go-to. I like rebuy these all the time. I think these pairs I've actually had for a few months. First, I'm going to just put on some mascara. I'm using It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Oh, a tip for mascara is, I think I probably mentioned this in my other makeup videos, but like I never buy mascara, like the full bottles, the full size ones, because they dry up really fast and I just get tired of the same mascara all the time. I like to use different ones. So every time I go to Sephora, I use my points, my like VIB points, and they always have a mascara, like a travel size mascara. They always have one, whether it's like this It Cosmetics, or they always have what one is that called? The Sex Better Than Sex. Yeah, Too Faced Better Than Sex. They always have that one. So I literally always use my points and get like a travel size mascara. Saves you money, and it's just more efficient because like you'll use all of it before it dries up. All my mascaras used to always dry up before I would finish them. So, oh, I almost forgot to highlight my brow bone. I use Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt in Lightning Dust to highlight my brow bone. If it would open. These are really dramatic lashes. Now the part that I am most excited about, and that is the lips. We're gonna line, and I think I'm gonna like line, I'm gonna like fill it in. I know Kylie likes to do that. I normally don't, but for the sake of Kylie. For the lips, I'm gonna kind of just do like apply it to the center and focus on the center so I can kind of get that like ombre look. Let's see how that goes. Wow, that is such a gorgeous color combo. So I'm not gonna put any really on the edges. I wanna leave that dark for that effect. And now, the lip gloss. Oh my God, I love Kylie's high gloss. Is that what they're called, the high glosses? I love them. Oh, so pretty. Just see how glossy that is. Okay guys, so here is the final look. What do you think? I personally really like it. I love the lip. The lip combo is wow. Like if you were to get anything from this collection, like get the lip kit and get the lip gloss. Like it's so gorgeous. The eyeshadow, like I said, is like a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I kind of like it. It's different, it's fun, it's pretty. The color combo is like super pretty. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you want to see more beauty videos, then I can definitely do more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next video.